this video is for every developer. Literally, because every developer goes through moments of feeling overwhelmed, anxious, and frustrated, especially in today's fast-paced tech world. Each day there is a new technology, a new tool, a new language or framework, and we're expected to keep up. The skills you're confident in today might feel outdated tomorrow. So the constant race of staying up to date to learn more, adapt faster, and stay relevant can become a huge burden. Here's a scenario. You started with HTML and CSS, building websites you were proud of. Then came JavaScript and React to make your sites dynamic. Next you picked up Sass to replace plain CSS. Then you thought, web development is too competitive, I need to explore more. So you jumped into AI and data science. You've learned Python, then NumPy, then Pandas, then TensorFlow, and the list goes on. And just like that, what started as a simple passion for web development became a chaotic mix of tools, fields, and expectations. Feeling overwhelmed? That's completely normal. Tech evolves very fast, and every day there's literally something new. And it's easy to feel like you're always falling behind. But how much time do you really have to chase every new trend? This pressure to constantly learn, to adapt, to be the best is exhausting. Some developers actually burn out. Some feel like quitting altogether. And let's not forget about the competition. How fast should you be learning? How many languages should you master to land the perfect job? What's that one idea that will help you stand out in the market that already feels saturated? This is where the pressure builds. The pressure to know everything, to be perfect. But here's the truth. Many developers jump from one language to another trying to master everything and end up literally mastering nothing. So what should you do? Prioritize first of all your learning based on your goals. If you want to become a web developer, focus on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, then move on to frameworks like React. Do you want to get into AI? Then yes, start with Python, then explore the libraries. Look, every field feels saturated, since there is more people getting into tech, so by far, tech is oversaturated. But the key is to stand out, even if the market is full. That's why try to be as much good as you can in what you love and evolve with it. Make a plan. Know what you want to accomplish and focus your energy there. Set real expectations. You don't need to know everything, just know enough to grow consistently. Practice regularly and take breaks. Don't code for 12 hours a day and expect not to burn out. Look, I've been there, and trust me, it doesn't end well. And most importantly, accept the learning curve. Yes, tech moves very fast, but don't fall into the trap of thinking that you're not doing enough. Stop comparing yourself to others. The fastest way to destroy your confidence is self-doubt. So focus on your journey rather than doubting yourself. Listen up, let's start with this simple exercise. I want you to ask yourself just one question. What am I good at? I want you to focus on that question, and I want you to build from there. If you want to share your answers in the comments, make sure to do that. But what I want you to know is that this is where real growth begins. Not by trying to do everything, but just by doing something very well.